The 16 by 7-foot garage door screen is designed to transform your garage into a comfortable living space by keeping annoying animals and debris out while allowing fresh air in. With its strong magnetic closure and additional gravity sticks at the bottom, this screen ensures easy access for both humans and pets and provides excellent wind resistance. Installation is a breeze with the included hook and loop strips, making it easy to set up or take down as needed, and extra push pins add security and strength. The garage door screen is constructed from premium fiberglass mesh, which is tear-resistant, fireproof, and corrosion-resistant, ensuring it stands up to regular use over time. This screen door fits most standard two-car garages, making it versatile enough to use on various entryways like patios, decks, and balconies. The sleek black color of the screen not only complements any garage, but also provides a modern and clean look that enhances the overall aesthetic.